Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. This afternoon, siguro magkakaroon tayo ng math experiences para kay Pel. So enjoy the evening. Just enjoy the party.
Okay, tuloy natin. We would like to call on the gentleman from Batch 71. Nasaan na sila? To serenade our birthday celebrant.
Ito po ay matagal nilang pinractice. Ilang araw ka to?
Wala, mga 20 minutes ago.
Alam niyo po, habang naghahanda sila, bigyan na naman natin sila ng konting history, lalo na yung mga bisita ni Fel na hindi natin, we are not so familiar with them. We'd like you to know na ang batch po namin na batch 71 ng Manuel A. Rojas High School, 41 years na po. Ito po yung mga high school kami. Intact pa rin po and still going strong. And every year, we come up with this kind of activity and we believe that it will still last until we pass away in this earth. Hopefully. Ito po yung mga dear batchmates, spouses ng mga batchmates namin na naghanda ng something special for Fel for tonight.
Yes. Matagal po nilang pinaghirapan yan. Talagang pinag-practice nila yan. Mga siguro 20-30 minutes ago.